Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. Well, the topic of today's video is how to use Discord. So without any further ado, let's get started. There are two ways that you can use Discord in your systems. First one is by going to the web application of Discord and you can use that straight away. Other way is to download its desktop application. I'll show you both of them. So first of all, I'll go to its web app and then from there I'll show you that how you can download its application. So here it is, we have successfully launched our Discord. This is how it looks like. Well, I'll talk about its feature and first of all I'll talk about its interface and what does it has to offer us. Well, if you see at the top right corner, here we have a help section and then we have inbox. In this section, which is inbox, you will have all your incoming messages and then here it says new group DM. Well, any message that you will be sending to a group will be done from this option. So if you just click on it, at the moment we do not have any friend, that is why it says you do not have any friend to add, and that is why we'll not be able to send any group message. After that, if you come to the top bar, here it says add friends. Obviously from here you can add different friends into your Discord connection. Then you can have blocked lists. Here you will see those people that you have blocked. For example, this is a person that I have blocked in my Discord. And then here you have a pending section. Well, basically if you just click on it, all those requests or all those friend requests that people have sent to you and they are still pending, means you have not decided if you want to add them or reject them, will be in this section. I'll show you this one as well with an example. Then here you will have everyone, means all of your friends will appear in here. And then this section that says online, obviously you will see those people here who are online at a moment. So these were some of the features at the top bar. And now let's come to the left side of our Discord. Well, from here that says home, you can go to your home and down here we have a plus sign. Basically, this allows you to create a server. Basically it says add a server. Well, if you just click on it, from here you can create your own server as per your liking. For example, if you want to create a server for gaming, you have a template for that. You have a school club template, study group, friends, and many more server templates that you can go with. Or in case if you want to create your own one, or if I say that if you want to create your customized one, you can go with create my own option. So just click on this one and from here it will ask you for whom you want to create this server. Either it's for club or community, or if you want to create this one for your friends. Let's go with friends. I'll just click on this option. From here you have to name your server and upload a picture that will work as a profile picture for your server. After that, just click on create and now we have successfully created our first server on Discord. There are a lot of other things that we can perform with our server on Discord. I'll talk about all of them one by one. First of all, here we have our general section and below that we have a plus sign. If you just click on this one, from here we can create voice or text channel for different themes on our server. So after clicking on that plus sign, you just have to name your channel anything. I'll name it as Skills Build. And here it says create your channel. Either you want to keep your channel private or public, it's all on you. So just go with the option as per your liking and after that just click on next. From here you can have moderators for your channel or you can add different members. I'll just skip this one. I'll just click on skip and we are done with creating our channel. From here you can edit your channel as well and you can add different members. and you can assign different roles to those members as well. So this was the channel, and after that, under our Skills Build channel, we have another option that says General. If you just click on it, so here you can see we have started a meeting into our server that says Zubair server under the channel of Skills Build. You can share your screen and you can disconnect from here as well. I'll just disconnect it for the moment, and let's go ahead and let's see what do we have next. So this is our server, which is Zubair server. If you just right click on it, here you have different options that you can go with. For example, first of all, you can invite different people to your server, or you can invite them to join your server. Let's say I have created a server for different sports, and you can invite those people with similar interest in same sport. And from here, you can mute your server for minimal of 15 minutes to until and unless you turn it back on. After that, you can have different notification settings. Means you can have all the notifications related to your messages. Then you can have only those notifications in which you are mentioned. Then you can block all the notifications. And down here you have some other options that you can explore. After that, here you have server settings. First of all, you can have overview of your server, then you can define different roles, use of emojis, stickers, moderation means who are the moderators, then you have audit logs of your server, and after that you have many more options. In case if you went with your customized server and now you want to use a template, you can go with this option that says server template. After that you have community settings, and then you have server boost status. At the end, you have your members, your invites and bans, means those people you have banned till now. After that, you can have your privacy settings for your server, and then you can edit your profile for your server. After that, as I have shown you earlier that how you can create different channels in Discord, this is how again you can create your channel in your server. After that, you can have a category, and then you can create an event as well. After having our server and adding our server, here we have an option that says explore public servers. It means you can check out already existing servers. So I'll just click on that one, and now I'll search for a particular one. Let's search for cricket. So I'll just write here cricket, hit enter. So here I'll have all those servers that are related to cricket. So here you can see I have a lot of them. Same goes for other categories. Let's say you want to search for football. So I'll just write here football and hit enter. So here you can see we have all those servers that have been created by different peoples and are available in here. So you can join any one of them. I'll go back to cricket and I'll show you that how you can join a particular server. So I'll just search for cricket. So I'll just go with this one, and here if you see here it says 198 online. It means these number of people are online in this server and total number of members are 4,444. So I'll just click on it and let's join this server. Here it says you have to verify to access the server. Obviously I'll just go with this option. So we have not joined our server currently. To join this server, here it says you are currently in preview mode. It means we can only see the server and we cannot do anything else. First of all, we have to join the server to start chatting. But before that, I want to discuss this option in here that says more. If you just click on it, from here you have different options related to that server. For example, mark unread, reaction, you can copy different messages and you can speak messages. Now let's join this server. So I'll just click on join ICC cricket. And it will ask me to complete few more steps before we can finally join this server. So I'll just click on this complete button, or you can do that from the bottom as well. I'll just click on any one of these, and here these are different rules that I have to follow in order to join this server. After you are done reading everything, just click on this option that says I have read and agree to the rules. Click on submit, and here it says this is the second part of the verification process. Please pick your country roles in order to gain access. Well, I'll just click on this one and let's see if we have now access or not. Well, as soon as I have voted or as soon as I have picked a country, here you can see now I have joined this server successfully. Here you can see I have ICC cricket. It means this is from the ICC cricket, and now I can access anything in here. Here it says one mutual server. So this is how you can join different servers in your Discord, and then you will be assigned to different channels into your different servers. So that was all about the Discord and how you can create your groups and channels. Now I'll show you that how you can download this application. Well, there are several ways that you can follow. First of all, you can go to the official website of Discord and then you can download its desktop application. Or if you are using its web application, you will see a button in here that says download apps. Just click on it and from here you can download its desktop app for either of these platforms like Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Apple and Android as well. Well, I have already downloaded its application for my Windows, so I'll just head back to it and I will just open that one because I want to show you a really important thing in here. This is my desktop app and this is how it looks like. Everything is same, only difference is that one was on the web and this is on my desktop. This is my username. So if I just copy this one, well, one thing is very important in here and that is I have logged in into my desktop app with a different account and I'm using onto web with a different one. So I'll just copy the username of this account and that says copied. And now I'll just add a friend into my Discord. So first of all, I'll go to my home. Now let's add that user into this account. For that purpose, you have to add its username. So I'll just paste the username that I had copied earlier. And now if I click on send friend request, a request have been submitted. Here you can see we have successfully received a friend request onto our desktop app. So I will just open my desktop app and here in the pending section here it says we have incoming friend request. So from here if we just accept this one, this will be added into all or online one, and if we just block this one, this will get added into block. So let's add this person or this account. And here we have successfully added one person into our friend list. If you go into all section and here we have that user who sent us a friend request. Well, now I'll head back to my web app and I'll copy its username. And now let's add that user into this account. Well, let's see if both of them have to send request to each one or only one way can work. So let's click on send friend request and here it says friend request failed. It means you are already friends with that user. So it is working just like Facebook where only one person needs to send a friend request and they are friends with each other, unlike Instagram where both of the user or both of the people have to follow each other. And that was all about the Discord and its different features and how you can create different servers, channels, and how you can add different people as your friend into your Discord channel. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And I hope now that you must have learned a lot of new things about this Discord and you must have learned that how you can use it. If that is the case, please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll get back to you in the next video. Till then, take care.